plaster guys are here starting to do plastering. Let's go see. We're gonna do plaster. We're waiting for some wood for them to build. Let's see. Okay. You guys are building scaffolds. Let's see. See? Wooden ones. Plastering. Okay, guys are mixing. Plastering. Scaffolding. On other side. Let's see how plaster is going. Yeah. This is plaster, bro. Ara.
Pt4 სილა და მიტოს ხდება მალე რო იწვევს. ვისა? Pt4 სილა. ხო რა. არის ძალიან სუფთა და მე რო იწვევს ხდება მიტოს. ხო, იმიტომ გითხარი, სხვადასხვანაირია, ხო. ახლა დასწო, მაგრამ ისე მიდა პატიო. აურა, ხო, შევერენის არისო. რამდენი ქალჭასია, უკვე დაგაბა.
Okay, scaffolding moved over to this side. Guys, okay, let me show rest. Can't see well from here, but this is what we call plaster. It's like a skin. Guys did a good job. One sec. Doors still need cuts. Everything is going good. Levan is pro. Now we're working on this side. Okay, let's see upstairs what they did. Let's see. This is plaster, right? Then we do some kind of design and paint on outside. Okay. That's it, water won't go in. Okay. Now this side. This is how we do old school plastering, but guys are professionals. It's gonna be good. Okay, one more day of plaster. Here is done, upstairs done. Guys are on the other side. Okay, I'll walk up and we'll see what's going on. Having coffee. Wait. Okay. I took off those things from doors. Doors are black, painted black, boy. I'm gonna clean up myself after. There we go. Exposure. Look at that, black is so good. Hi Murico. Imams nakhel kanadeles. Plastiri. Plastiri uzachian, plastiri. Vai, Ramagaria. See? Okay, they did this. So water will fall in and it has the runs already. I did painting job and look, dirty. This is the view from bedroom. Here's bedroom. Yeah, they're gonna work there. Okay, plastering going well, and then we're gonna paint. Expanka and paint. Alright. Let's see black doors. Black doors and windows. This is my sister's house. We are so close, see? See, I took those off. I only left on the sides because painting guys might destroy it. Let's get inside. Didn't want it to spill any coffee. Yeah, this is my bedroom. And for rest of the family, over there, 2 rooms will be there. Why did we need balcony around here? But still, okay. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Gela. This is Gela. Hi. Hi. Good view. Okay. Out of door. Out of Nana's house. Now I'll go. Wait, car. Okay. Here. I'm gonna wash here after myself. Okay, let's go up first. Let's look in here. Very good. Plaster is done. Here too. Roof, okay. And roof. There, lot of building. Okay. Another roof. I'm not gonna go up there. Let's go down. Let's go see front. Maybe okay, we saw this. Maybe I should go around this way and we'll see everything. Corner, see? Okay, not bad. Now it needs the spanka and painting. Yes, 2 bathrooms there. Another room. Okay, let's go through. Plumbing. For now, temporary. Okay. Gotta take that off all the way. But sides I kept it because of painting, right? Let's see. Can see well from here. I'll go outside and take more. Okay. Oh my god. Shrimp. Okay. Living room and kitchen there. And bedroom. Or two, we'll think. Two, I guess, yeah. One smaller, one bigger. Okay. Water around there yesterday was crazy rain. Yeah, we're gonna do like a woods, yeah? That's what there is on the plan. Wait, sun, man. Sun won't let me take a video. Still drying. Yesterday also crazy rain. Okay. Let's see from down. Beautiful, I like it here. This is how it looks from here. Haha, funny. It's beautiful here now. Your yard. Love it. Should do same there.